Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change or edit contact information for business Google profile which include phone number and website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com/business and then you see sign in button, so click on it. Now you see we have two businesses. You see pencil icon, so this is edit information. If you want you can click on it, or if you want you can click on it, so it's up to you. So it's open edit profile section, so click on it. After that you see multiple option and then you see multiple option, edit profile, read review, messages, photos, so click on edit profile. Now business information pop up open, so we are going to change contact information which include phone number and website. And then scroll down, you see contact information, phone number, website, and then you see pencil icon edit, so click on it. So you can add your website and then click on save, and then you see phone number, so click on edit. So you can add country from here. Now you see drop down, you see multiple option and then you can add your primary phone number. If you want you can add more phone number and then click on save. Now change is done. So these changes will show on Google and Google Map. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.